everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are safe and healthy. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to watch my previous videos, INBDE and NBDE Part 1 question series. Before I continue this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch every single video that I post every day. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share my videos with your friends if you like the content. So let's start with today's question and answer series. Again, the first few slides will always provide you the answers to my previous videos, 10 unsolved questions. So please compare your answers if you had tried solving those in my previous video. Moving to the next slide. And the third one. Alright. So with this last slide, I'm sharing the next 10 unsolved questions. So please pause the video and spend some time to find the answers to these. Like always, I will provide answers to all of these in my next video. So again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch every single video. And don't forget to like, comment, share if you like the content of the series. Bye for now.